I'm starting with discount retailers. Okay, we're going to start with Dollar General, ticker DG, because their shares have been up more as much as 6%. So the main thing is that they raised their full year outlook. If you look at the breakdown, shares gained in both consumable, non-consumable categories, growth in seasonal goods, home products, apparel. But it just goes to show you retailers that are offering these low-cost goods, attracting consumers that are just looking for deals. I mean, they also attracting wealthy customers. That's what Dollar General is saying. But Bloomberg Intelligence is saying whether those new customers will stick around, that remains to be seen. But what's also interesting about Dollar General is that it has a large selection of grocery products, and that makes it less susceptible to tariffs.
Looking year to date, Lisa, Dollar General up 45%. Dollar Tree up 50%. The dollar store has been doing great.
You look at them, look at Kohl's, look at TJX. Like those are some other ones that also had some good results. But they've been doing things to improve their performance. They're providing cleaner stores, enough inventory, staffing levels, things like that.
That's what John Tucker was talking about, because John Tucker was saying you got to clean up the stores and make it a better experience.
Yes,
so he was on top of that.
And they did that, and it seems to be working for them.
Oh, good for them.
So we go from retail to tech. All right, I want to point out Snowflake. It's ticker SNOW. Their shares have fallen as much as 9%. So what they do, they basically make software that helps organize, analyze, store corporate data in the cloud. They gave an outlook for operating margin that fell short of estimates, and that made investors a little uneasy about the profitability of new AI-based tools. Analysts said they're happy and encouraged by the company's innovation. They have a new CEO, but they're just concerned that competition is increasing in that core market. It did make an announcement too, a $200 million partnership with Anthropic, and that's going to make its cloud AI models available in the Snowflake platform. Claude AI models. But Snowflake has agreed to 4 acquisitions so far this year.
Stock is up 70% year to date, even though it's down 9% today. But it's had a great run. So good for them. That's a big company, too. I didn't know that as well. 90 billion market cap. Go figure.
Bam.
Yep. There's so much money being made.
And finally, I have a few quick mentions.
Do this one.
Yep. Hormel.
Spam.
HRL. Yes, you can think of that. Their shares up as much as 6%. Third quarter adjusted EPS forecasted beat the company's recently lowered guidance, also beat expectations for Wall Street as well. We talk software companies like Snowflake. We also have a company called Guidewire. Their shares have been up as much as 5%. First quarter results, second quarter revenue topped estimates.
Right.
And then there's UiPath. It's PATH. It's process automation software company. It's a lot of software today.
Did she gloss over Hormel?
She did. It's
I
my
did.
spam.
The spam.
Okay,
Why are you giving less weight to spam? It's a pun. Less weight to spam versus Snowflake.
Austin, Minnesota is Hormel Foods. 20,000 employees. $13 billion market cap here.
Okay.
I mean, that's middle
I'm sorry,
America
when I
to the
grew up,
max.
Spam and Belvita were 2 of the 4 food groups.
Yep.
Have the Mateo household, has a can of Spam ever entered the Mateo household?
Actually, it was like a staple. Like it's so true. You chop it up and you fry it in a pan. You add some rice to it, and you're good. Dinner served.
Nailed it.
Dinner served.
Dinner served. That's what you do.
Now they have like Spam and pineapple and Spam and this and Spam
gourmet.
On the Upper
they make
West
a bunch of
Side,
stuff.
there's a restaurant on the Upper West Side that just specializes in like 18
Is there really?
types of Spam. We should do a remote from there.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. There's a lot of good stuff there in Hormel.
You didn't bring up Costco.
I know. I stayed away because someone probably would hurt me if I talked about it.
But Costco, I mean, like it's booming, right? I mean,
Well, November didn't do so well, so their shares are lower. That's the only problem for Costco. Yeah, they're not doing so well as the stock
Paul,
market
how
today.
do you get the 1-year return so quick? You're better at this.
BQ function. Hormel pepperoni is the leading brand of retail pepperoni. 90 million
Hormel pepperoni.
jars of Skippy peanut butter are produced each year. How about that?
God, this shows a value add.
Yes.
I would say.
News you can use.
Have you ever had Skippy peanut butter? No.
I have it at home. I do.
We have it super chunk. That's how we
Yes.
go. They own Chi-Chi's as well.